Modern maintenance operations require many separate precision measurements to be taken, often transcribed from paper to a computer web-based application. FTL's DADTMA removes the need for data transcription by automating data capture, allowing a maintenance artisan or technician to pictorially capture data right by or on the asset. DADTMA collects and stores asset condition data through the use of a digital twin architecture. Analyzing and displaying damage and historical repair information is made simple by using an intuitive graphical user interface. DADTMA works in virtually all asset maintenance and sustainment applications since it is agnostic with respect to data collection method, relevant maintenance events, and damage occurrences. Therefore, the system is easily tailored to multiple platforms, services, and users. With DADTMA, point cloud meshes can be generated, imported, and stored in the digital twin. This allows a maintenance provider to accumulate 3D models of asset assemblies over the life of the system, even when no 3D models previously existed. DADTMA consists of two applications, a PC app and a tablet app. The tablet app allows for handheld electronic data capture and analysis anywhere, ensuring successful transfer between settings. Documented procedures, 3D models, and figures are displayed on the tablet to guide the data capture process, showing the user the exact location on the asset and all required information associated with this area of interest. The user can add findings against any aspect of the digital twin for data collection and tracking of inspection issues. Pictures can be taken and annotated within findings to help capture and document issues right at the source. Grids can be added over pictures to help with a variety of data capture and engineering analysis tasks such as corrosion blend-out depth profiling. To aid in whole-size location inspections, DADTMA provides multiple tools that allow the user to manipulate pictures and automate the creation of data tables that are registered to specific locations in an image. Electronic data collection tools such as a micrometer and calipers with USB or other serial data links provide automated data capture to aid in precision measurements such as hole diameter or corrosion blend-out depth. All of the features found on the tablet app are mirrored in the PC app. The data captured on the tablet transfers to the PC app, where it is added to the digital twin and can be further modified and analyzed. Captured data can be easily analyzed with the image heat maps, information tags, and various report/export options. Inspections and zones can be marked as not yet started, in process, or completed to help communicate inspection progress with the team. On the PC, maintainers can create inspection templates for various assets and processes by importing data from current electronic tech manuals and other instructions, adding information needed to guide maintenance and inspections. DADTMA's search features and relational database architecture provides easy navigation through the digital twin, enabling multi-user simultaneous data access, quick queries across assets, and automatic associations with other likely defects in both the present and future of specific assets within the fleet. Benefits of DADTMA include: it associates data with complex assets across its entire lifecycle and organizes it into a browsable, multi-user digital twin database. It addresses the issue of rapid ingestion of asset information as work is being done using intuitive apps and 3D scanning. It provides immediate return on investment as a data collection, organization, sharing, and export tool while providing a framework architecture for advanced machine learning-based automation. It facilitates the timely sharing of detailed damage characterization information to provide rapid engineering analysis and disposition of degraded or failed parts. It renders all collected information into one mineable data set using 3D modeling data fusion and machine learning approaches to guide and predict maintenance actions. FTL's DADTMA, ingenious solutions.